Hey guys, this is Luis with Vdkar Auto Glass Replacement. Today we're doing this one is Liftgate. So I'm going to show you how to do the reverse technique. Remember, clean the glass, safety gloves, safety glasses. So what you're doing is place it through in the middle. You can go over here, but it's going to be more far away, and when you find those gravity stops, they're going to maybe snap the line. So I recommend you in the middle. So after that, remember these little balls or bearings right here, they're going to hold the line. And you don't fighting when you're doing windshields and back glasses, it's no problem because they're flat. So remember, you're going to go to the top and the left. I'm going to catch any of these corners there. I think you know this process already. And we're making a double loop. It's very important, double loop. But when you make a double loop, it's going to be less resistant for the cord and the clips. Okay, if in case the line is snapped, we can just attach or anchor the line is broke. So let me get a little here and here. After that, remember, this is right, left. So we're doing here, and this one has a molding, so just watch the molding. Make sure you catch molding. So just keep going. And again, under. Now we're going. All right. So just make sure you get the line in place. Cause like this, you see, I got the corner out. You gotta watch out all the time, or that's gonna snap the line. And in the worst case, can snap. It's gonna break the glass. Nope. And ready. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, because the line is older, I'm gonna wet the line. That's gonna make the fibers go easy and then snap quickly. Alright, so let's get the drill. So I don't have my knob, so I'm gonna use this one like a clutch. Alright, first we're gonna start from the top line, okay, or the bottom one, whatever you want. Now this one, don't let it go all the way out. I'm gonna go to the bottom first, okay? So you're gonna keep going. You get parallel to the tool right there. We don't have the second line coming now. The anchor line is not coming yet. So we go to the top. There you go. This is, you have to watch these gravity stops. Sometimes they can break the glass. So that's the second line coming. That's the clip. There you go. Now before you tie the line, what you're gonna do is grab the line and pass the line on front of the tool. Okay, just make sure you don't catch the rubber pad of the tool. That's very important. Okay, you clutch it. Now sometimes when you feel the resistance is too much for the line, you feel it's gonna snap like that, change the spindle or swap the spindle. Okay, that's gonna help you to prevent any problem with the line. You see, it's less resistant here. Let it go. Clutch, clutch, clutch. Now there's a lot of pressure right there, so you can just swap at the top. This one has a big. Let me get it right there. And that's all, guys. Okay, so that's what you do the reverse technique. You saw the tool never move. You cannot do it with the small tools or small suction cup because there's a lot of force and it's gonna make the cup sliding. Okay, so that's why 10 inches make the job, but it's possible with another tools. Okay guys, so that's the demonstration doing the non-tool reverse technique. Easy. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you next time.